Assume that every 7-digit whole number is a possible telephone number, except the ones starting with 0 or 1. What fraction of telephone numbers begin with a 9 and end with a 0? Now, what fraction, don't confuse, it's just basically what is the probability, but what fraction's a little confusing. So, just like usual with a probability problem, we start by computing the number of possible outcomes, and then by computing the number of successes. Possible successes divided by possibles. So, first for our possibles, there's 10 digits to start with, but we can't include 0 or 1. That means there's 10 minus 2, 8 more ways to start the first number. But after that little restriction, there's no more. We just have 10 more for the next one, 10 more, 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all 7 digits. And again, no restrictions at the end. And again, since all of these events are independent, which means none of them affect each other, that means we can just multiply all these together. Now what for our successes? Well, a fraction of telephone numbers begin with a 9. What does that mean? Well, that means there's only one way to choose our first number because, that's our successes. We want it to begin with a 9. So there's only one way to do that. And there's no restrictions for all the others. Okay, almost all the others. No restrictions, at least not yet. It's 1, 2, 4, 5. But at the end, 0. Well, what that means is only one choice. One last choice. Because there isn't any more possibilities. It didn't say end with a 0 or something, so only one more choice. And then now it's just a regular arithmetic problem. Let's see, do a little cancellation. Let's see, all these 10s cancel out except this one. Let's see, 1 times 1 over 8 times 10, which is 1/80th.